Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make lanolin shampoo at home. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for more such videos and their updates. Before wasting any time, let's get started. Take two stainless steel vessels, part A and part B. Part A contains SLES 400 ml, cocoa dye 16 ml, cocoa mono 20 grams, lanolin 4 gram, which is also called ethoxylatul. Part B contains MPS of 1 gram, EDTA 1 gram, EGMS 24 gram, distilled water 400 ml. Procedure: add part A with 200 ml SLES in vessel and add part B in another vessel. Put both the vessels in double boiler. Stir slowly. Once everything melts properly, see the temperature, it should be 70 degrees Celsius. Take out the vessels from double boiler. Add B to A. Stir gently for some time. Cool it for 12 hours. Add remaining 200 ml SLES in part A. Check the pH balance. Add color and fragrance. You can add color and fragrance 0.5 gram to 1 gram, not more than that. So if you like this video, please share it to everybody there. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for more such good videos. See you in the next video.